In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership in Airtable. If you need to hand over control of an Airtable workspace or base to someone else, the process is usually straightforward, but it's important to do it carefully so nothing gets missed. The goal is to make sure the new owner has the right level of access and that the transition happens smoothly without interrupting anyone's work. Start by opening the Airtable workspace or base that you want to transfer. Before you make any changes, take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct place, especially if you manage multiple bases or workspaces. This helps prevent accidental changes in the wrong area. Once you're inside, go to the sharing settings or the collaborator settings. This is where Airtable lets you control who has access and what each person is allowed to do. Depending on your version of Airtable, the wording may be slightly different, but you're looking for the section where collaborators and permissions are managed. Next, make sure the new owner has already been added as a collaborator. If they're not listed yet, add them first before moving on. This is an important step because Airtable won't let you transfer ownership to someone who doesn't already have access. Double check that the correct account has been added so the transfer goes to the right person. After that, update the new owner's permission level. Change their access to owner or creator, depending on what options your Airtable plan provides. This step gives them the level of control needed to manage the base properly, including settings, permissions, and structure. If Airtable asks you to confirm the ownership transfer, go ahead and confirm it. This extra confirmation is there to make sure the change is intentional, since ownership affects who has the highest level of control over the base or workspace. Once the transfer is complete, ask the new owner to verify that they can access everything they need. They should check that they can open the base, view the content, and manage settings as expected. This quick access check can help catch any permission issues right away. Finally, review the old owner's access. If needed, you can adjust it to a lower permission level or remove it entirely. This depends on whether the previous owner still needs to stay involved. Taking this last step helps keep permissions clean and avoids confusion later. And that's how to transfer ownership in Airtable clearly and safely.